Take time for yourself until you're you again. Sometimes in life, the strongest thing you can do isn't to keep pushing, it's to pause, to step back, breathe, reflect, and reconnect with the person you were before the stress, the setbacks, and the pressure started weighing you down. Because the truth is, when you're constantly pouring into everyone and everything else, eventually you run empty. And when that happens, your vision gets blurry, your confidence gets shaken, and the future you once felt excited about can start to feel out of reach. That's why taking time for yourself isn't weakness, it's strategy. It's giving yourself the space to heal, reset, and rebuild. Because when you come back stronger, clearer, and more focused, everything changes. Your decisions improve, your energy shifts, your opportunities expand. And sometimes that time away is exactly what gives you the courage to finally make the move you've been putting off. Maybe that move is stepping away from what no longer serves you. Maybe it's walking away from limitations, capped income, or spending years building someone else's dream while yours stays on hold. Or maybe it's stepping into something bigger, something that gives you control, freedom, ownership, a real opportunity to build residual income and create a life by design, not by default. That's exactly what we do at TruPowur. We help everyday people take control of their future by building a business around something every home and business already needs: energy. No gimmicks, no trends, just a proven model, real support, and the ability to create long-term income while helping people save money. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every single day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.